This is the way I display for game nights. These are all some of my favorite games. Let's see the little guy back there. It matches. Not only does the style match with my coffee table, but the games all coordinated. Hi. And then when it's a, oh, I also have something back there. When it's a D&D night, so sorry. Pull out this bad boy. I want to get some lights for in here, so that way, like motion activated or just something so that you can kind of see into it because it's a little dark. But other than that, it looks great. If you're not familiar with these kinds of doors, it's one track that they're on, so you can't have both doors open at the same time. So just be, yeah. If you hear that that thump, that's the two doors hitting each other, and then, which, like, maybe you think that's cool. Maybe you appreciate that. I didn't know, but I also don't care because I like having the doors closed anyway. So, yeah.